Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I feel like it's been a little bit since I've been around. Um, but as always, things get a little crazy, and I know everybody's getting busy with things and summer and all that, but I just spent last weekend driving to and from Kentucky to bring my daughter home from school. So that consisted of driving 6 hours, pack up everything, load up the van, sit there, have a room inspection, drive back 6 hours, and unload everything and put everything away. So I've been just a tad bit busy besides the driving 10 hours a day. So I am here to show Rosie's desk organizer kit, and I'm a little late, and I apologize. I did take everything out of the box so I could show it to you without having to sit here and open the box. So let me get started. Oh, I am supposed to tell you there is a tassel in here, and the tassel is just a little something like Rosie used to do. I'm also supposed to say that some of the trims, where is it? Hold on. Everyone is getting, it's not the same trim or the same flower. So that's what I'm supposed to tell you. And the tassel is just a little something. So, okay, so let's get started. So this, I'm going to move this to the side because I want to show it to you. So this is the desk organizer. I am not sure how it goes, but I'm going to open it. I'll try and figure it out. I know this comes up somehow. Let's see if I can figure this out without breaking it. So, oh, well, that's weird. I wonder what this is for. It's like a box cover, but it doesn't cover the box. So, and it has these things in it. All right, yeah, I definitely don't know how this works. It's got this big opening. I'm not sure what this is unless it goes like this. Oh, there we go. See, just think a little bit, Laurel. And it goes like this, and this, and this. And this can hold paper, pens, glues, you know, whatever you want. So I'm going to guess it goes like that. Or you can put it in any order that you would like. That is pretty cool. So that's the main part of it right there. I know you guys can see that. That's the main part. All right. And then it comes with, and I'm sure Rosie, I'm going to guess that she made these papers. I could be wrong, but I'm going to say that she made these digis. It's got this cool little pink clip on it. So this is the first one. And it almost, the paper almost looks like fabric, but it's not. So you have that one, which is really pretty. There's laces in here, and that looks like a quilt. That's really pretty. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of this print, and I'm sure that is enough to cover all of the boxes. And that was smart of her to make them all the same, so it all, when you're putting it together, and you could probably even cut out little pieces if you wanted to, but I'm sure she has done this, so she knows that 7 is going to be enough to cover all of those little boxes. There could be 8, but I'm going to say 7 because that's what I counted. So that's the beautiful paper right there. And even looks three-dimensional. I'm going to guess she took a picture of something that she did. That's what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to stick that right in the top of there. And then, of course, I always get something purple. And this is a very deep purple, beautiful. I love it because it's on both sides. I always call this a window box pleat. Just the way it's pleated, it's really cool. I don't know why I call that, I just do. It's definitely a different kind of ruffle or pleated ribbon, but it's really pretty, and you're actually seeing the exact color that it is. That's so weird. That dark purple always comes through dark purple, but lavender and all those, or lilac and all those, they don't come through the right color. So that's that one. I'm going to stick this all in my little pockets over there. And then we have this one. Okay. Oh, and you get all kinds of other stuff to cover too. So look at these beautiful napkins. And you get 1, 2 of this. Look at the birds. Those are really, love the mushrooms. And there's a little fox and a little, oh my God, now I'm not going to, it was just in my head, but now I'm not going to be able to, hedgehog. A hedgehog right there. And then there's a lady in the flower. Yep, it just kind of repeats. That is really pretty. Those are really, I haven't seen those napkins before. Those are really pretty. And then, ooh, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 5 of this napkin, and this matches that paper really well. So I'm guessing you could make each box different if you wanted to. So you could just Mod Podge these onto all the little boxes. You can do one like this, and or in the paper. I guess she's giving you a choice. I don't know. I'm guessing here, ladies. All right, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this gorgeous purple one with the butterflies. Absolutely love this one. I don't have this napkin. So that is really pretty. I love these colors. They are really pretty. And no, it is not what you're seeing. Like this whole background is this yellowish green, but you're actually seeing like a white, and it's not. And these are purple, and these are like a light greenish yellow. It is not bright yellow like you guys are seeing. They're actually beautiful. Those of you that get the kit, you will see it when you get them. It is definitely not showing the true color of this napkin. Even the background's not showing correctly. So that's those. So lots of options. And then you get this gorgeous, I don't want to unwind it because I can never get things back together, but it's a beautiful, I wanted to say burlap, but it's not burlap. But it is a thick fabric. It has wire in it, and it's very easy to pull this wire out. You just push down a little bit, and you can pull the whole wire right out, and then it's got this gorgeous trim all the way around it. So that you can probably go around the tops of your boxes with. And then there's this one, which is really soft. Haven't seen this before either. That's almost like a chenille in there. But see that? That is really pretty. Really pretty trim. So this must be the trim she's talking about. That everybody's may be different, and everybody's flower may be different. So, and then you get a gorgeous flower. This one's got 2 beautiful leaves on it, and a stamen in the center. And then this beautiful applique. This can go on the big box on the back of it. So you can cut all this apart if you'd like, or you can leave it just like this and use the whole piece, depending on what you want to do. And it's got all, I'm talking terrible today. It has all beads and sequins on it, so it's really pretty. And then, of course, your little tassel, just because. Or just something, it's just a little something, that's what she calls it. And has all these beautiful fabrics and stuff in it. There's a beautiful pink eyelet. Ooh, these are really pretty. So I wonder if these are all different too, or if she made them all the same. But that's really pretty. So she made you a little tassel, just a little something. And it has beaded dangle trim around it. That is really pretty. So you could probably hang that off the side of your box as well. So that is all the goodies for the desk organizer, and I understand why, because you can't really cover up a lot on these boxes. You're actually going to be putting more in them than on them. So you have plenty of napkins, big napkins, small napkins, and those 7 sheets of paper, and then the one other trim. I'm not sure if you guys will be getting purple, and then your flower and your other trim to go around the box, and everything to make the box. There are 2 kits available. You can find Rose on Facebook, or you can leave her a message on her YouTube, I'm sure, on a video, but probably easier to find her on Facebook. I will make sure to put the link to her YouTube channel below, as well as her Facebook, if you are interested in this kit. I want to say the price, but it's been a while, so I'm not going to, because I don't want to be wrong. I want to say it was like $35, but please don't I'm not sure. So I don't want to say for sure that that's the price and then someone tells you something different. So you can contact Rosie. I know she is planning on going on this Saturday at she told me, what'd she tell me? Hold on, I gotta go look. 1 second. At 1 p.m. Pacific time, which is I think Pacific time is behind me. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. I'm not sure. Um, I don't know if I will be able to go on and do this with Rosie that day, especially at that time. It is Mother's Day weekend. It is also my first weekend home with Cam, where we can actually go out and do something. We have not gotten to spend a lot of time together, and last summer we barely spent any time together. So I do want to spend some time with her this summer. It was a very hard year with her being gone. So I want to spend some time with her. We have a lot to get done before she goes back to school again next year, or this year, I should say. So um, I can't say that I am going to be there on Saturday. I will watch it. If I cannot, I'm just not going to say I know we have plans. So um, and then I will do a video and make mine as well. I know Rosie's probably looking forward to me being there, but I did not. I don't know if she was aware it's Mother's Day weekend, but we do have plans and stuff. So especially that late in the afternoon and getting ready. So, and me and Cam have a few things planned. So, but I know Rosie will be on doing it that day. And then hopefully I can figure out how to do it, because I'm sure she's got it all figured out and all ready to go and probably already has one made. Um, so if not, I will do a video making mine as well and then post it for all of you ladies. So be sure to join Rosie on Saturday. I'm sure she will make an event and put all the times and everything. So like I said, I will link her channel and her YouTube and her Facebook below, so you can go and check it out. And I can't wait to see what everybody does with their desk organizer. I sure could use some organization over here with the disaster I've got going on. So it was probably a good thing to make. And then you can just sit it on your desk. You can write little words on the front. See, I'm giving away all the secrets. And just, make it your own. So again, this is the kit for May. It is the desk organizer kit. And I know she's not having one for June or July, because she is working on the Gypsy, the Fabric Gypsy album book. So I know that's going to take her a while to do. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you all soon. Don't forget to get out there and create something. Bye for now.